What's going on today, everybody? Today I'm going to be unboxing a new one from Oknife. This is the Rubato 4. Let's get it out of the box and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. And if you stick around, we're going to take it out and do some cutting with it and let you know exactly what we think about it afterwards. As you can see, it comes in a nice box, a nice zipper pouch with hook and loop on the outside, so you can put your Ranger eyes out there. Comes with a signature challenge coin for the Rubato 4. And this is what we've been waiting on. This is coming in with a 3-inch CPM S35VN blade and what they're calling PEI scales, which is basically Ultem. I know a lot of people love Ultem and a lot of people hate it, but it is a really great material. It is really durable and it offers pretty high visibility if you're using this outdoors. Action is incredible. Drop shut. Has a deep carry pocket clip that is reversible, so that with the crossbar lock makes this super ambidextrous. So coming at 2.8 ounces. This is an ultralight EDC that should be good for just about everybody. If you guys stick around, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna cut some stuff with it, and we'll let you know how well it actually performs. Stick around, let us know in the comments what you think about Ultem. I personally love it. I like that it's translucent and you can see through it. At least you can see light through it anyway. Can't really see through it, but it's pretty cool. You can see it all skeletonized. I dig it. Alright guys, so we're going to be cutting up a couple things here. I'm going to do standard cardboard, some rope, and zip ties. Show you what it does. Alright guys, as you've seen, we cut zip ties, we cut the cardboard, which didn't want to cut because it was starting to get damp because of the rain outside, and we cut rope. Did a pretty good job on all of those actually. And the edge is still super sharp. Alright guys, as a final test, we're going to slice some of this yellow paper and see if it's still got an edge to it, or if those zip ties and rope destroyed it. I think not, guys. I think it's still wicked sharp. That's actually still pretty impressive. Hats off to Oknife. That is fantastic. Alright guys, if you like Ultem and S35VN, you're going to love the Oknife Rubato 4. So leave your feedback in the comment section below, and please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to help us get videos like this out to people like you that actually enjoy them. Because I enjoy making them, so I'd love it if you guys watch them. Thank you.